What is procedural programming? Have you ever wondered how computers follow instructions to perform tasks? That is where procedural programming comes into play. This approach breaks down a program into a series of clear steps that the computer can execute in order. Each step is organized into blocks known as procedures, functions, or routines, which each perform a specific task. At its heart, procedural programming focuses on telling the computer what to do and how to do it through straightforward commands. By breaking a program into smaller, manageable parts, it becomes easier to understand and maintain. Each procedure can take inputs, perform operations, and return outputs, making the code more organized. One key feature of procedural programming is sequential execution. This means the program runs commands in a specific order, one after the other. This structure helps in creating logical flow within the program. Another important aspect is the use of procedures, which are logical blocks of code that can be reused throughout the program. This not only saves time but also reduces errors. Procedures can work with variables and data. They can use local variables, which are only accessible within that specific procedure, or global variables, which can be accessed throughout the entire program. Control structures are also essential in procedural programming. These include loops for repeating tasks and conditionals for making decisions based on certain criteria. When designing a program, a top-down approach is often used. This means starting with the highest-level task and breaking it down into smaller subtasks that can be handled by procedures. Some well-known procedural programming languages include Fortran, Algol, and COBOL, as well as modern languages like C, Pascal, and BASIC. For adults learning technology skills, understanding procedural programming is important. It introduces basic programming concepts in a clear and straightforward manner. This method is often the first programming style taught, as it helps build a solid foundation in programming logic and problem solving. Practical applications for adult learners include writing simple programs to automate repetitive tasks, understanding how software performs calculations, and developing skills to read and modify existing code. These skills are highly beneficial in many technical jobs. In addition, learning procedural programming sets the stage for more advanced programming styles, such as object-oriented programming. By grasping these foundational concepts, adult learners can confidently navigate the world of technology and programming.